So, I know by the title of this video, you guys are like, man, he's gonna be roasting his subscribers' ways. Like, why is he roasting his subscribers' ways? No, okay? This is another series I'm gonna be starting, and it's gonna be called Roasting My Subscribers' Ways. It's not really roasting. If your ways, you know, if I see you're a beginner, if I see you got forks, I'm not gonna roast you, okay? I'm gonna give you tips basically on how to improve your waves and different things like that. So if you really want your waves to be, you know, if you really want to be critiqued on your waves and be told how you can improve, you can go ahead and go on my Instagram 360_woods, and I mean, just go ahead and send me a pic and just say rate me. That's all you gotta say. Rate me, and I definitely will know that you want to be in the next video, okay? You don't gotta say nothing else, just say rate me, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and get into this, you know, first episode of Roasting My Subscribers' Waves. So let's waste no more time and let's get into the video. It's gonna not waste no time. We're gonna get straight into rating or roasting these waves, okay? So, you know, I already have them saved and we're just basically gonna go straight into it. The first waiver, okay? First waiver we got up on deck, and you know, I'm looking at his waves, right? I'm looking at his waves, and you can tell he's spinning. All you need is some depth, bro. When you get some depth in your waves, I'm telling you, your waves is gonna be popping. I can tell that, you know, they're connected. So that's good. That means that you've been brushing, okay? You've been brushing. Just now, it's just time to get some depth in your waves. So start combing, start wolfing, and you should definitely start seeing that depth. And it'll definitely make your waves pop, you know, because that straight hair waivers, you know, because of course we can tell you're a straight hair waver. It's when you only got 4 waves, right? You got to make them 4 waves count, okay? So that's why when you're actually, you know, when you got your waves connected, now you got to give them the pop. So, something that makes somebody turn their head and then, you know, say, dang, he's spinning. But okay, we could tell you know, you're connected, which is a good thing. Now it's time, you know, like I was talking about in my my episode 2, brush time. All you really need to do is just get them more aligned up, okay? So you can tell, like right here, you know, right here is where like you can start pulling those waves down, so then they're more of a circular form, and then they look a lot more tight. And then you look at your crown, see that wave right there? Like I said, you pull that forward, because well, if you're going for a beehive, you want to pull that forward, so then you get that whole circular type, you know, motion. And then your waves look a lot more put together. You know, it doesn't look more like they're all just squished together. They're connected, but they all just don't look squished together. That's another thing of, you know, you want to take yourself to elite. That's what definitely you need to do. You know, just pull them waves down, get some pull, and you know, get them spaced out and different things like that. You got the depth, you got everything like that. It's just, you know, you just need to take it to another level. So we got another one. All right, now we can see, you know, you connected, but you need to get that line out your crown now. You need to start going ahead and go in that crown, all right? You need to go ahead and go in that crown. Oh, snap, have I even been rating? No, I've just been talking about them. We gonna go back real quick. Like I said, it's episode 1, you know? Give me a shot, man, give me a shot. It's episode 1. So, like I said, him, we definitely give him, we'll give you about a 7, bro. We'll give you a 7. You would definitely give you a, I give you a good 8.5. I give you a good 8.5. Now you right here, I say an 8.5 too, because I feel like your problem right here, like I said, is your crown. That's the only thing, is your crown. Once you get that crown, you know, tighter, you want your crown maybe about this big. You know, maybe if you can get it smaller, get it smaller, but you never want to have a line in your crown. It just doesn't make your waves look put together. You really want to, you know, tighten up that crown a little bit, and you'll be good. All right. Next picture. You know, we got him spinning. All right. You could tell he's a beginner because you know, it looks like his waves are just now starting to form. His waves are looking like they're just now starting to form. And there's nothing wrong with that. Just keep putting in brushwork. We could tell that you got that good hair. The hair that, you know, you could tell has a lot of shine to it. And when you have a lot of shine to your hair and you have waves, it pops just that much more. So keep brushing. Don't give up. And I'm telling you, you're going to be spinning. And when the shine of how good, because we can all see, come on, we can all see you got some good hair, bro. We can all see you got some good hair, so it'll definitely be your advantage into the wave game. Alright, we can tell you a beginner, bro. We can tell you a beginner. But there's nothing wrong with that. What we basically, all you need to do is brush. Make sure you get your angles right. Make sure that, you know, everything is, you're brushing everything in the right angles, so then you don't create more forks when you're trying to, you know, connect it and everything like that. So basically just keep brushing, keep wolfing if you want the process to speed up a little bit faster. And I'm telling you, you'll be spinning too. Okay, another beginner, okay? Another beginner. Like I said, it looks like you're just brushing on the top, okay? And this is normal for beginners, okay? The thing is, hold on, let me show you guys real quick. Let me show you guys. So this is normal, okay? For beginners to always want to go like this. Oh snap, I might be messing up my pattern.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb.
But yeah, they're always going like this. They just want to, they feel like they brushing, alright? They feel like they getting them waves on this stuff. No, okay? The whole purpose of you brushing is basically you want to, you know, go all around the head. Make sure you're going all around, getting everything, okay? So that everything starts to wave up together. It looks like, you know, maybe the center of your hair just grows faster, but it looks like you're only brushing like down the middle. Like you're only going like this. That's what it looks like. Which, I mean, it's an easy problem to fix. You just make sure you're brushing around the head equally, okay? Okay. Now, we can tell, you know, you're spinning, all right? But it doesn't look like it, okay? Now, when you put your pictures out there, guys, there's one thing that I always gotta say, all right? You wanna make sure that your waves look at their best. And how you do this, okay? You make sure that, you know, it looks like you just came out the shower after a washing style, okay? It looked like you just got the shower from washing your hair and your hair is dry now and it looks all dry and brittle. Your waves don't look at their best when your hair is dry and brittle. So put in some product, all right? Now hold on. Now one of the best products for shine, usually when I'm really trying to, you know, make my waves look at their best, is I use the goat drip butter, okay? If you guys don't have that, you guys can use this. Just some coconut oil, okay? Now that's my shine method. Oh. Yeah, that's my only tip to you, bro, is if you really, like, when you're presenting your waves off to people, just make sure that, you know, your waves look at their best. Have them at their shine, you know, have them, you know, laid down, and I'm telling you, your waves probably would have looked a lot better than what you showed. Alright, we could tell, bro, you're a beginner. I believe you said me. Yeah, we could tell, bro, you're a beginner. We could tell you're getting waves, because look right here. You know, you can see that, like that little wave, you know, trying to create a little bit around the head. So we right there in the front too. So we definitely know that you can get waves. All it is just put in that brushwork. Alright, just put in that brushwork. That's all it is. That brushwork. That's all you need right there, bro. That's all you need right there. We're going to the next person. Next. Okay. A lot of do-rags on. Got a lot of do-rags on, huh? Alright. Y'all love do it. Woo! See, look. From two ago, right? From two ago, we were basically talking about how, you know, you need to present your waves with a lot of shine and you want them laid. That is a perfect example of that. That is a perfect example of how you want your waves to look, okay? You want your waves to look nice and shiny like his are. Now you, bro, you get a 10. You get a 10, right? You get a 10, bro. And I'm going to tell you why. Because your crown, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys exactly why you got a 10. Look at that crown. It's closed. It's closed up, okay? Now his waves, they're all spaced out, okay? They spinning. I don't see no forks. He's spinning, okay? He's spinning. Want me to say it one more time? He's spinning, alright? So, that's all I gotta say. Now, we're going to the next. Alright, it looks like we got about, if I were to guess, I don't want to say coarse, and it's more of a medium, but it looks like a coarse hair waver, alright? It looks like a coarse hair waver. We're going to look for some forks. I'm not seeing any forks, but I definitely see this right here. I mean, that's just me being picky. But of course, bro, you spinning. All right, you spinning on them. That's a 10. Just get a nice. Like I said, when you're presenting your waves, either have them like when I show people my waves and they ask, like I'm either wolfed out and you can't tell that, you know, my taper, you know, I got no taper or something like that. It's just the back of my head and all the swirl and everything like that. It looks dope, right? Because I have all the depth from wolfing. Or it's or of course I have a taper and my waves are shining and everything like that. So like I said, you don't want to present your waves on the side if you don't have a taper, you're all cleaned up. Just keep it like on the top. Like I would have never known. Like this picture, I would have never known. But yeah, you still get a 10, bro. Just a little tip. Alright, we got another video. Okay. Okay, I can't really see. Okay, I'm looking hard. Okay, we gonna rewind that. Okay, I really can't see, man. When you're taking videos, you really don't want to do them in the mirror like this because I can't see your waves, bro. I can't see your waves like that, bro. But it looks, you just spinning for the most part, man. You spinning for the most part. What I can see, it looks like right in here, you got a little fork going. Like I said, that's just pickiness. Not really a fork, but you know, it's deformed. Okay, it's like going like this, but it's still connected. I got that on I think it's either this side or if it's this side, I don't know. But yeah, you definitely want to make sure that that if you want to take your waves to elite status, you want to make sure that, you know, you're brushing your weak side, and that seems to be your weak side. All right. Oh, he has another video. Okay, he has another video. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is what I wanted to see. Okay, this is what I wanted to see. All right. Okay, that's what I wanted. All right. So you're spinning. Okay, we can tell you spinning until you get right there. Okay. So like I was saying, we know you spinning. Okay, we know you spinning until you get right here. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. All right, it's just that you need to work on either when you're brushing, right? When you're brushing, yours go here. So when you're coming across, you gotta make sure you're hitting this area. It looks like you're skipping, like you come here, whatever you do with your left hand. I don't feel like doing my left hand, but it feels like you're curving, you're stopping, and then you're coming back over here with your right, and then you're going like this. So you're skipping that area. You gotta make sure, bro, that you're not skipping that area. You gotta make sure that you're hitting that area. And if you really want the process to go a little bit faster, wolf it out. All right, wolf it out. That's how it reaches curl length. You'll be able to train that side down a little bit faster. So yeah, just do that. Next one. All right, like I said, get them tapers. But you're not really connected, which is not bad. All right. So I mean, I'll give you about I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with a 8. I think I'm gonna go with an 8. Okay, I'm gonna give you an 8 because how they're not connected. And it looks like you've been brushing for a minute. It looks like you've been in the wave game for a minute. And you got an 8. Alright, and the reason why you gotta put in that brush work, bro. You gotta make sure that your waves ain't turning like that. When you see that it's like that, that's the first area you should be hitting. No cap, that's the first area you should be hitting. And again, taper if you're gonna show it like that. If you're gonna show it, if you got no taper, just do like that angle type stuff. It just makes your waves look a lot better. Alright. So we got another one right here. Okay. Okay, I really can't talk about this. Well, I can, but again, get tapers if you're gonna show it like that. But again, I don't know. Blurry picture. Looks like your waves are just starting to form up, but I mean, you still spinning, bro. You still spinning. Just keep brushing, combing, wolfing, so you can get that depth in your waves. That's all I really gotta say about that. I give you about a 8 same. Okay. Now we could tell you a beginner. Nothing wrong with the beginners. All right. Nothing wrong with the beginners. Oh snap! Y'all didn't mean to say that. But yeah, nothing wrong with the beginners. just keep brushing. That's all I can really tell you. I rate you about a 5, mostly because, again, you're a beginner. There's nothing wrong with that. You can get that rating up easy. Just put in the brush work, wolf, and you, like I said, you're gonna be spinning. You're gonna be spinning, man. So looks like that is everybody. You know, that's everybody. I hope. And you know, if I told you guys, because I know some people were sending me stuff before, if I told you guys that you guys are going to be in the next roasting my subscribers waves, then you guys are going to be in episode 2, okay? Like I said, if you guys want to be in an episode, all you got to do is go ahead, hit me up on my IG. My IG is 360_woods. Go ahead and just send me a photo of your waves and just say rate me. Nothing else. Just say rate me, and I know what you want to do, and that you want to be in the episode of roasting my subscribers' waves. Okay, but this video's over. Okay, it is over. It is over. But you guys already know, if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You guys already know you guys want to subscribe because I'm uploading every single day. And it's getting hard, but you know what? We still uploading every single day, okay? But don't forget, stay wavy. And it's 360 Woods. And I'm out.